Hello, hello, hello. Hey Anna, hey Benny. What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, where we at today? Okay. Hey Yeehaw. Good morning, good afternoon. Thursday. Nearly at the end of the week. Alright, I'm gonna start with pound yen. No, I'm gonna start with gold. What's up, Caswell? Alright, so gold made a new high this morning. So we kind of had a push during Asian session. Not much, but we did make a new high. Where are we? 30.57, nearly 30.58. New gold all-time highs. And then we flip bearish and now we're pulling back. So having a little pullback from the highs. We haven't broken yesterday's low. We're about 70 pips away. We did come close, but price is holding. I mean, obviously still very bullish on gold. That goes without saying. The 4 hour. Now we tapped this previous 4 hour support. If this 4 hour candle closes below, so below 30.25, I think we get a bit more of a pullback. And then a support form to continue up. We do have a 4 hour resistance at 30.53. So we've got a nice 4 hour range. How big is this range? This range is 280, 270 pips on the 4 hour. So yeah, if we can hold where we are now, like above this level, because the 4 hour support is down here, then I think we're just creating structure to retest the highs. That's what I'm looking for. And so currently, let me put my markings in. So see, I got the 4 hour support there. We got another support here, 1 hour and 30 minute. Now with gold, we've pushed down quite a lot with no top wicks. But I believe today we're going to come back and get those wicks. We didn't have a bottom wick here. We created that wick. This candle. And we had some 15 minutes. So yeah, look, we created a 15-minute top wick. This one. So I think right now, the structure, we've got the resistance. We've made a support, which is also a higher low. So I think gold retraces from around here. Because we came down, we're pushing off from the 4 hour support as well. From this area too. And this is yesterday's low. Which, we didn't break. So let me just add that. So yeah, I think gold looks good to push up. Now, if we close below this support and we break yesterday's low, then we're going to have more of a pullback. So until that happens, I'm looking for buys on gold for sure. Now, pound yen. So yesterday I was looking for a retest of 193, which happened very early in Asian session. We kept driving down, especially after FOMC. So it was a nice little push. I think pound yen is coming to retest these, like this area here. It's quite a strong daily area. It was retested quite a lot when it was bearish, and we were getting buys up into this area. And now we're pulling back. So I think we're getting a retest. If we close back below this daily, I would say this daily resistance, then this was a fake out, and we did get that lower high I've been talking about in the structure, because we've respected this resistance area right here, and we've got this lower high. So if we push down some more, I think we revisit the lows, and then my target would be the 187.11 again, which is a weekly and daily support level. So yeah, let's see if this is a GJ fake out on the higher time frames. 4 hours bearish. Now we do have interest rates for the pound coming up in just under an hour. Now the rate's going to stay at 4.5%, which is high, and typically that's good for the currency. So we should see some pound yen buys. I'm going to look at what happened at the last interest rates decision, which would probably be January, and we'll see how price acted then, because I believe it stayed the same. So wait, 4 hour, I mean right now where we are, we did push into this daily resistance. Looks a bit messy, there's a lot of lines on here, but this is that daily resistance area that was holding previously, and we've tapped it, and it was about a 50 pip pullback. So I'm going to clean up the chart a little bit, but we do have these daily resistances, these daily key levels. The higher time frames, they are important, because that is where you see rejections, bounces, retracements. It all starts at the higher time frame levels. So this was the pullback I was talking about. Look, came right into this daily resistance, didn't break the previous low, and 43 pips, but when it pushed up, yeah, about 50 pips, the retracement. So now price has made a support, we've made a resistance. If this candle closes with a support, it's a higher low, I think we get a push up. But ideally, if this was a fake out, we need it to close back above this support here and then retrace, and the news could do that. GBP interest rates can push pound yen up, and it would be from a daily resistance level, so good area to push from. So let's look at what happened at the last interest rates. Okay, where's Forex Factory? Thursday 20th, today, official bank rate. So February the 6th. And the rate stayed the same at 4. Oh no, wait, they reduced the rates actually, because it was 4.75 and then they dropped it to 4.5. So reducing the rates then would have weakened pound yen, but let's see what happened. So February 6th. This is February the 6th, so this was the news. Yep, reducing the rates. Dropped pound yen. How much did it drop? 110 pips. So a little spike up, and then it dropped, had a little retracement, and then continued down. So I think if it stays the same, you get a bit of a push. Get a bullish push, and then maybe it will continue the downtrend. A 100 pip move coming. Would be nice. Would be nice. I definitely should have taken advantage of the pound yen sales yesterday. So this was FOMC. This candle right here had the continuation pattern. It was perfect. Now this range doesn't look clean, but when you single stuff out and then put it together, it looked great. So we've had the first part would be the retest of the higher time frame resistance, like key levels. You have a 4-hour one, a weekly resistance. So once this was retested, and then we had the pull away, like it rejected, we pushed down, we came up, we created a lower high. That's number 2. A lower high, we had this strong engulfing candle, then we had the setup, the continuation pattern. This would have been the perfect entry right here. Even previous candle highs as a stop loss, 20 pips, perfect. Came down, then it had the closure below, could have added position, because my target was this 4-hour resistance for a retest, 193. So potentially 110 pips, 117. Banger. I know Benny took some. Well, he had a 15-minute entry here. That's not where the daily open is. Let me adjust that. It's down here. So yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Look very good. Very nice drop to the targets. And then the next target would have been below that. Would have been this daily resistance, 192.7. And then 192, like this area down here. So we've been, you know, hitting the sell targets as price has been coming down. You know, I would still maintaining that pound yen is bearish, but we'll see what happens with these interest rates first. Check out gold. Gold had quite a drop today. So I was looking at some sells because we closed below this support, but right here it closed right on the support. Now if I was already in some sells, I would have taken an impulse entry, but yeah, I don't really like to take it by itself, I'll be honest with you. But we had a little push, a retracement, and then we came back down. Now this drop was a big drop. No top wick, just straight down. How big was this drop? Oof, 113 pips. Just tanked, fell out of the sky. So I think we retraced this move because gold is still bullish, like I said. So if we've created the support, you kind of have this continuation going on right now. So I think if gold breaks the high, you know, we get a retracement, either a retest of this support, we push up, make this top wick. Yeah, we'll see what happens with Goldie here. So it would have to break the high. Which it hasn't done yet. He said, I'm taking the break. You know what? It looks good. It looks good. It actually looks very good. If gold is going to stay bullish, got the support, continuation pattern, breaking a high, push up. How big was the stop loss on the 30-minute? Stop loss is a bit too big for me. 54 pips. It's a bit too big. What's the 1 hour looking like? I mean, it's a good area to get a retracement from as well. And he said, I'm in. I mean, entry candle low is not bad. 40 pips. Using a 15, but yeah, the 15 hasn't really been going well for me, so I'm trying to avoid it. We've got this clean candle to retrace. You know, should at least retest this support. Buys look good. I'm waiting for the closure. Yeah, I think I'll want to wait for the closure as well. I can wait 6 minutes. In fact, we've got pound interest rates in the 6 minute feels like forever. Yo, pound interest rates actually in 5 minutes. I want to see how pound yen reacts to that, to be honest. I don't think it will affect gold. I mean, let's have a look. When was it? Feb 6th. I don't think it would affect. It would have affected gold, but you know. February the 6th, 12 o'clock. Nah. No effect on gold. Go on gold, push, break this resistance, closure above. You do have to survive the bottom wick. I mean, I don't really like taking trades right before the candle closes, just because of the wick that's going to form on the next candle when it opens. Come on, gold. Give us a good closure above. 1 hour looks good. It looks good for a retracement. and not for a continuation, because this candle here is also a rejection candle. So if this was just a strong bearish candle and then this next one was weak bullish, I would like the continuation down. But because it's rejected these levels down here, I like it more as a rejection. And then same thing for this last 1 hour candle. Yeah. Oh yeah, that video, that rejection and wick fills videos coming soon. Coming soon. It's nearly finished actually. So I'll probably try to drop that this weekend. Do you know what? Pound yen news in a minute. Should I split the screen? Yeah, just because I might have a gold entry. Let me do that. Even pound yen does this. So interest rate staying the same. Cool, cool, I got you. Just about got the closure above on gold. There's pound yen. It's pushing. Nothing crazy though. I don't feel get the 100 pips like like the last rates. Nah, slow. I want a bit more of a bottom wick on gold before I take an entry. Okay, pound yen. Got the retest. Now we need a closure above. There we go. Okay, pound yen's gonna do his thing. Come on, gold. And gold looks very good to push up, to retrace this drop, because we've got this higher low, so we should get that retracement just based on this structure. Oh, gold is killing me. Alright, so 4-hour flips bullish at this daily resistance. It's good to know. I'm gonna leave that line there just so I know. I want gold to come back and make this top wick right here. Sending it to my friend. Okay, GJ's gone. Lovely, lovely. So I think after this candle closes, after this candle closes, depending on where it closes, I'm looking for buyers on pound yen, because it's retested these higher time frame levels for me now. Yep. 4 hours flipping bullish. So if we get a nice 4 hour like rejection candle, then I think the next one, once it breaks the high, next 4 hour breaks the high, it keeps pushing up. And we retrace some of this drop. But it all depends on how this 4 hour candle closes. Come on, I hope it pushes up some more. If it engulfs this last candle and closes back above 193, oh, it'll be perfect. Perfect for the buyers back up. I mean, 1 hour started good. Yeah, just need a closure back up in this range and then continue push. I'm gonna take this off now. I know what this is. So let's say a closure back above this resistance, and we know the 4 hour will be bullish, and then we got a closure like a fake out. We can take some buys. So this 4 hour doesn't matter anymore. That level's been broken. Sorry, just cleaning up the chart a bit. What's gold doing? Oof. But as long as gold respects this previous low, the buys look good. Gold buys look good now. Bottom wick created, yeah, for sure. Just need a push now. Just need a push. How big is this? How long is this bottom wick? Let's see. 20 pips? Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I want to break of all of this to the left. If gold can break 30, 35, then I'll be in some buys right here. We're looking for a pound yen 30-minute closure above 192.748. Let's call it 75. Let's just round it off. Come on, go push. Just doesn't want to break this last high. It's taking its time. But in a sense, that's a good thing, because we don't want it to push too early into the candle, because then it leaves a lot of time to retrace and come back down. Come on, Goldie. This is a nice setup. Low, higher low. Breaking these wicks to the left. Oh, I know I got slipped. So I actually have my stop loss just on this support here. I've been entered in. So my first target is this support, and my next one will be this resistance. Come on, push. Where did I actually get entered in? Yeah, I knew I got slipped a bit. Oh, wow. Crazy. Alright, managing risk. If this candle flips bearish, comes back to entry and flips bearish. How big is my stop loss? Stop loss about 30 pips. So if it gets to about 15 pips, I'll close some. It's about down here-ish. But a 30 pip stop loss isn't bad. It's not bad. Come on, gold, push. right? Tell it. Let's go. We got this whole candle to be retraced, and like I said, we need a top wick for this 10 a.m. candle, which came straight down. I mean, we should get a nice push through this range because there's nothing to the left. It's just a clean range. Unemployment claims in 15 minutes. You know what? I completely forgot about that. Flip. I completely forgot about that. And it's right on my calendar as well. It's on my wall. On my whiteboard. That should be interesting. Well, we know yesterday from Powell speaking, they think unemployment claims is in a good place. So I don't think that's going to affect the dollar as much. That's what he was saying in the meeting. But let's see. Hopefully it gives gold that little extra push. Let's check on pound yen. How's pound yen doing? Oof, so it tapped. Kind of tapped into that resistance area. And it's pulling back. Okay. Forget pound yen. We need a closure above 19275. Gold is very comfortable in this 3,000 area. In this 3,000 price range. It's very comfortable up here. I love it. I love it. Come on, Goldie, push. There we go. So 15 is breaking that previous 15-minute high. It's a slow push. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, and I think that volume comes with the unemployment claims, but hopefully it goes in our way. Hopefully I'm at break even before news. That would be good. That would be very good. Let's go, let's go. Nearly at 20 pips. Oof. $20 pips now, good, good. Gold likes to shake people out, man. These big retracements, 15-20 pips swings up and down. Just gotta have conviction, confidence in the trade. There we go, at 20 pips. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm thinking I should lock some in before this news. I want to see how much it pushes. Either way, before the news, I'm going to be at break even. Come on, give me 30 pips. Sorry. Alright, where we at? Gold trying to shake us out. GJ, oof, right back below the support. So what did I say? This news, it will push up, then most likely continue the downtrend. No surprise there. Oh, look at gold. What a retracement. All the way back to entry. You said I closed some already and hit break even. Good. Good idea for locking some in. When I get back to 20 or maybe 3038, I might do the same. Still got 5 minutes. But that was quite a pullback. Gold is very dangerous right now. Good. Caswell's closed some. So gold is acting up. Gold's being gold, man. That's what it does. It really swings. It really swings. But let's see how it reacts to this news. I hope it does push up. If not, then it is what it is. But hopefully it gives me a good push in the next 3 minutes. Because what could happen is, you know, we've made a low and then we could get a lower high. So instead of a full retracement where we've got this going on and I'm anticipating this happens, it could just stop and then create a lower high and continue down. So it's always an option. Not a favorable one, but what can you do? Come on, give me 7 pips. Oof. It's not looking good. I don't like the way this 15 looks. I want it to close strong. But it's a decent stop loss today. About 29 pips. About that, which is not bad for gold these days. Wow, pound in. Right, sell opportunities now. Just need a closure below this support here, and then I'll be looking for some sells. Come on, Goldie, 1 minute. Bit more of a push. 6 pips. Nearly there. Alright, I'm at 18. Go on, just a little push. Got my magic keys ready. Oh, got to 18 again. Crazy. Either way, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Right here. Because it's 15 seconds to the news. Do you know what? I'm going to close 80% here. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, closed 8%. It's about here-ish. Risk free. Go and go to the moon. So we've made the bottom width. What were the results now? Let's see. So unemployment claims as expected, which is bullish for USD, bearish for gold, but not very high impact. So yeah, I'm not even worried about that news, to be honest. Just need this candle to break this last high and just take us to the moon. What's GJ doing? GJ looks terrible. Push up, back down into the same range. It's not a continuation pattern because this first bullish candle is quite weak. It's almost a rejection. Big lorry backing up outside. Nice. I was very close to hitting break even there. I'll close full before news. Smart. I never trust gold. No, I hear you. I understand. But sometimes the runners can do damage. So I don't mind leaving a runner. Because you never know. As long as I've closed the majority of my position, I've locked some in, I'm good to keep holding. Damn, came very close to break even again. Just need this candle to flip bullish, keep driving up. But you know, we might get that structure I was talking about, you know, high and low. Where are we? We're in this part. So we could get the retracement, or we just could get the push. But it's another win. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. There we go. Break that last high. Yes. Push. I mean, we got this whole candle to retrace. Come on, Goldie. Nice, nice. Runners at 30 pips now. I was considering a re-entry. What, a break of the high? That would have been good. That would have been nice, actually. That would have been nice. Definitely. Go on gold. Right back up into this range. Close above. This has the potential to be a really strong candle. I mean, 1 hour looks beautiful. Now, if this 1 hour actually closes quite strong, then we do have, this is a reversal pattern right here. Let me look up what it's called because I don't remember. Morning. It would be considered a morning star, I guess, because you have the strong bull candle, strong bearish candle, weak bullish candle, and then the strong bullish candle. So yeah, it's kind of it is a reversal pattern. Yeah, this is nice. Come on, just push up into this area. Where's this top wick? So it needs to get to 3041.5 ish, and then we got a top wick for this hour candle, because I don't know where it thought it was going with no top wick. But structure wise, buys look very good to continue up and retest the highs at least. Because look, got low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and now a higher low here. So come on, gold. 200 pip runner. It's not too much to ask for. But if gold closes above, I'm looking for another entry. And I'm moving my profits up here. I'm looking for a retest of the highs. Why not? But only if it closes back above. Still got a whole 19 minutes left of this candle. Oof. So much time left. So much time left. Too much time, right? Just seeing this, but my thoughts exactly. Price march back up there. We'll probably go back into Asian range. Okay, let's see where Asian range is at. Oh. Okay, that'll be good. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, closure above. I add a position. Oh, if the 4 hour flips bullish. Oh, it's beautiful. $30, $35, $75-ish. Love it, love it. It's coming back for this top wick. Come on. What did I say? 41.50, right? There we go, got the top wick. Said this runner's traveling. This runner's going places, and look how close. Look how close to my entry to break even. My run got stopped out. That's what happens to me all the time. All the time. I can't even trail the stop below the previous 15 because it's pretty much my break-even point. So I'm just gonna have to just let this thing run. 15 minutes. Oh, come on, don't pull back. You were doing so well. Right, just gotta leave the runner to run. Okay, pound yen. We're back up here. Interesting, because we have made higher lows still. I still maintain if it closes above 19275, I want buyers back up. Next 13 minutes. The daily 4 hours should be bullish. I don't know if it pushes that much, but we'll see. Definitely made that top whip. Minutes to go. I like that this 15-minute closed above the support as well. Yes, gold. How long we got left to the highs? 130 pips. Yeah, come on, gold. Let's get there. W trade, thank you, thank you. Put some W's in the chat if you caught it. Lovely, lovely. Nice, 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 nice. Everyone eating. Perfect, perfect. That's what we do here, hopefully. All right, market opens, 10 minutes. Dun, dun, dun.
Even know what we're having this conversation right now.
Crazy work. Just need this closure above to continue up. Oh, 7 minutes feels like a long time. Now, if this candle closes below the support, I'm probably going to close the runner just because it's made this top wick, and then there's a possibility that we could get a lower high, or it's just a retest and then we come down. That's just based on the structure. So we'll see how this candle closes and then take it from there. Do, do, do. Ooh, Goldie, where you trying to close? Where you trying to close? It's gonna be a long 4 minutes. I'm on gold. Right, where would I get in? So I want, I do want some more buys. Potentially. You know what? I think I'd have to wait. I think I'd have to wait for a closure above here. Just to be on the safe side, because there's still a potential. There's still a possibility that price can make a lower high below this one here. So even though we're back above this support, structure wise, it's still in a downtrend. So for the downtrend to be fully broken, I need this last high to be broken. So it's a bit further up, but you know, probability wise, that's what I need. Yeah. So yeah, above, let's call it 30.45 is where I want to see. I want price to even, maybe not even a closure, just to push above, just to break that last lower high. So right here, buys above closure. And we retest the highs. We're back up in this Asian range right here. Yeah. Looks good, looks good. I believe it's going to create a lower high. Hey, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, I mean, gold is still bullish to me, so when I'm looking at the overall trends, this is gold. Where we at? Let's draw some lines. This is how I see it. But yeah, gold is in the 3000s. Gold is bullish. All right, we close back up here. Oh, strong drop. Yeah, if we break this high, this last high, we're gonna get more of a push up. If not, if we create a resistance and we close back below this support, gold is gonna sell back down. Not low time frame support. I want that to be, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it right here, and I will let you know if my runner gets stopped out or not. But this is a crazy push down. What's pound yen doing? So pound yen closed. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 1 hour continuation pattern. That looks very nice. Well, this top wick is too long. Ooh, I don't like the 30-minute structure as well. Yeah, I want to leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm not gonna force anything. Yep, back on tomorrow. Back tomorrow. Feels like a Friday for some reason. What news do we have tomorrow? Nothing. It's Canadian retail sales. Yeah, all good. Free day tomorrow. Perfect. We can just rely on price action.